Hello parents. Today we are talking about a common concern many parents have. How to help children focus on their studies and remember important things. Let's get started. Break study time into small chunks. A 20-minute session followed by a fun 5-minute break can make a huge difference. It keeps them refreshed and more focused. Children thrive on routine. Set a specific time for studies every day and stick to it. A predictable schedule helps them understand when it's time to focus. Make learning interactive. Use games, flashcards, or creative methods to explain concepts. The more engaging the study time, the better your child will remember the material. Children learn by observing us. If you spend time reading books or working on tasks with focus, they are likely to imitate you. For instance, instead of scrolling on your phone while your child is studying, try reading a book or working on a task of your own. This shared focus time not only helps build a positive routine but also strengthens the bond between you and your child. Avoid overscheduling. Balance is a key. Overloading your child with tasks can lead to burnout. Allow time for relaxation, hobbies, and play along with their studies. Positive reinforcement works wonders. Praise your child for their efforts no matter how small. It builds their confidence and motivates them to keep going. Remember, every child is unique. With patience, encouragement, and a little creativity, we can help them develop focus and love for learning. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more parenting tips and kids fun learning adventures. Thanks for watching.